Hi everyone, here I've got MEIZU 16th and let me show you how to make a screenshot on the following device. So we've got the two options to choose from. The first one is to hold the power button and volume down button. So let me open something to catch. It can be a calendar, for example. So as I said, let's hold the power button and volume down button together. And as you can see, we've just made a screenshot. You can cancel, share or save it or edit screenshot. Let me save it. And you can find this screenshot on the gallery. Let's get back. And as you can see in the albums, you've got the screenshot album. So let's scroll down. And as you can see, we've got our cached calendar. There's another way to make a screenshot. Let's open the calendar again. And let's unroll the top bar and unroll it the second time. And as you can see, we've got the screenshot icon. So simply click on it and our phone just made a screenshot. And if you want to make a longer screenshot, for example, let's open the settings. And if you want to catch all of the options, simply click on the power button and volume button again. Just make a screenshot and drag crop handles to take a longer screenshot. So drag it a little bit lower and as you can see, you can show all the options. So let me crop it here, click on save and let's get back to the gallery and see how it looks like. Let's get back. And as you can see, here is our longer screenshot. So that's all. This is how to make a screenshot in MEIZU 16th. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.